we're going to be working on evaluating expressions. If you do not understand how to evaluate expressions, it is okay. Do not worry. The important thing about working with evaluating expressions is knowing the keywords, what each word means. So it's easy to simplify expressions, but if you don't understand a certain word, you wouldn't know what that word is trying to say or what it symbolizes. So on the right side, I made a little box that says keywords. We know that product means multiplication, so that is, I can't draw on this, but let's see if I can. So we got product, which is multiplication. Less than, you might hear more than a couple of words that mean the same thing. So we got less than, difference, and minus, which all mean minus, which is this symbol. Then we got quotient, which means division. Let's see if I can do a dot. Okay. Oops. My bad. And now we have our last one, which is sum, which is plus. So let's do the first one together. It says the sum of y and 7. You can basically put your symbols on top of the word, so that way you know what symbol it is. So it says the sum of y and 7. So we know it's going to be addition, and it has our variable and our number. So we know that these two are going to be adding. So it's going to be y, sorry for the y plus 7. It's that easy. Okay, so now we're going to do our second one, where it says 7 less than a number m. I know this word is confusing, number. It's just indicating the variable for m. So let's see. We know that less than means minus, so we know we're going to be subtracting. So it's going to be 7. Also, I forgot to mention, remember the symbols we worked on, which is greater than, sorry, we have less than, we also have greater than or equal to. Oh my goodness. And less than or equal to. I'm sorry, I do not know how to work this. Make sure to when you're using these symbols to write them correctly, because then they're gonna look like 7s, or your 7's gonna look like one of these signs. So we know 7 is less than a number m. So 7, remember, less than means that 7 needs to be less than m. It can't be greater than m, because if it were, then it would be a different symbol. So we know 7 is less than m. And we, oh my goodness. And we can prove this by plugging in a random number that's bigger than 7. So we can put 7 is less than 12, because that is true. 12 in fact is bigger than 7. So this makes our statement or expression accurate. 7 is less than 12. If we had put in the number, let's see, 5. Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. I'm having trouble with this. Okay, that looks like a 5. So if we were to plug in 5, 7 is less than 5. That is wrong. Why? Because 7 is bigger than 5. So we would have to change our symbol to greater than, which is this one. 7 is greater than 5. So let's do our next one. So that's going to be our expression for this one. Number 3, the product of r and 15. We know that product means multiplication. And if we don't, we can make some flashcards. So we know that r and 15 are going to be multiplying. So it's going to be r. You can do the dot or the multiplication sign, whichever one you feel comfortable with. They both mean the same thing. So r times 15. Oh, look, it came out. And so on.